Hi, so I'm here for a not so random talk with a special guest, and this is where the PSI Metals release day is 2022. Could you please introduce yourself, Luc?
Hello, this is Luc Van Nerom. I'm working from the Brussels office, and my role in PSI Metals is that of innovation management.
All right, fantastic. I believe you would like to speak to us about the dilemma concerning AI black box behavior.
Yes, exactly. What we see, but what the industry sees is that a lot of big data projects and AI projects, they fail. About 80% of them fail. And this is not because it's not working. The technology of machine learning is working pretty well, and you can build very nice predictive models. But the problem is that it is very difficult to prove that the decision that such models make, they are not creating the trust that traditional model building are giving the industry. So that means that experts, production experts, they see the results of a prediction model, but they don't trust it. So there is a trust problem because nobody can really explain in detail why this prediction model is making that or that decision. And that's a problem. The production manager doesn't trust the system. And that's why in the course of implementing such AI technology into an industrial environment, only 20% of those projects are successful.
All right. So what else could you add about this dilemma for us? What is the solution?
So this is the bad news. This is a very bad balance. But the good news is that the AI crowd or the AI research community, they are working on that problem. And what you see is that they are developing solutions to explain, to be able that not only the prediction model, the machine learning model is making a decision, but also that it can explain why it made that decision. I made that quality defect decision because it is linked to this and this process parameter, for example. So a kind of explanation. It's called, this domain of research is called explainable AI. And I think that this is very important that this technology is brought, this explainable AI is brought not to the data scientists. They don't need these explainable models. But the production manager that has to make the decision, is this a good model or not a good model? He has to, or she has to trust this. And this can only be when we are able that we can, every time that this model is making a decision, it can also explain why it is making that decision. This will gain the trust of the production manager, and then I hope, I'm sure that much more of these prediction models will get to a real industrial accepted solution in a 24/7 operational environment.
So there you have it, folks. Some good news and a very enlightening explanation from one of our experts here at PSI Metals. Thank you very much, Luc.
It was my pleasure.